Hi guys, it's Harmon, and we're going to learn how to make a bar chart and a pie chart using Google Sheets. Okay, I'm going to try to do this quick, but try to go into detail while I'm doing it. Before we learn how to make bar chart and pie chart, though, let's talk about when we do it. You do a bar chart when you are comparing mean, median, or mode, not really range. You want to compare range on a histogram or a box and whisker, which we'll talk about later. Those show that data better. And a pie chart you use to compare percents. Usually you're going to make two pie charts, whereas you only need one bar chart to usually show your stuff. Okay, but let's jump into this. So bar charts, let's measure something random. So we're going to compare Love and Evie on the times they're sarcastic. So we're going to go the mean times sarcastic. Now, however you label this is going to be what show up. Essentially, I'm going to be making a little table. So let's say mean is sarcastic, Love is sarcastic on average 12 times a class, where Evie is sarcastic 8 times a class on average. You want the Evie, you kind of want that on top, mean on bottom, but then when you want to make a chart, you just highlight it, go up to Insert, Chart. And isn't that just beautiful? That's just beautiful right there. Beautiful bar chart. Measures it exactly how we want it to do. You can see it. There is a lot of things you can do. For instance, if you want to edit these numbers over here, you can click on them and edit by going max and min. Let's say I wanted it to start at 5 and end at 13. You can change that. But that's just kind of how, anytime you want to change anything on here, you can just click on it and you can find ways to change it, bold, however you want to do it. Okay, but that's a bar chart. Now, a lot of times you want to make a double bar chart, which is comparing both like mean and median on the same thing. So we just add that to our little table. So we'll go median times sarcastic. And let's say Love is 10 and Evie's 9. I don't know, I'm just making this up. I'm going to guess Love's not sarcastic at all. And Evie's probably really sarcastic. But I don't know. We'll see. So highlight all of it then. Same thing. Insert, chart, and beautiful. Beautiful bar chart right there. Okay. And remember, if there's anything you want to change, you can just click on it and it'll bring up the settings to change it. Okay. Now, usually it defaults to a bar chart. Let's say you want to make a pie chart. Here's how you do that. You set up the title. So I put Harmon right here. Now I want to measure the times now that I ate cookies and the days I didn't eat cookies. Now, let's be real, I'll always eat cookies, but I'll put 1 in here just to kind of mix it up. Now, with this, in class, you have to change your numbers to a percent. Okay, and you still can do that. If you wanted to put these as 86% and 14%, that would totally work. Totally work. But right now, I just put in the numbers of times I did it here. And I'm going to highlight it, insert, chart, and ka-cha. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful pie chart. Now, let's say you had a scenario where it did not pop up the chart you want. Over here on the side, you can go chart type, and you can change it into what you want. You could theoretically change what we did into a bar chart, I guess, or into a pie chart, whatever. Usually, if you set it up like I did, it'll put it in the way you want. But those are how you create those two things, all right? Bar charts and pie charts. Y'all have a lovely day, and go Hogs.